How to turn off autoplay on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay within the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to be showing you how to turn off not only autoplay where it plays the next video when you're on YouTube, but also if you're scrolling through the feed and the videos just start playing automatically, I'm going to show you how to turn that off. So to get started, open up the YouTube app, then select U in the bottom menu. Once U opens up, select the gear in the top right to open up the settings, and all we need to do is scroll down and select Playback. Now in here, you can turn off autoplay next video by toggling that off. You can also turn off playback in feeds, where if you're scrolling through and the videos just start playing while you're searching or viewing the home screen. Now, if you don't see playback in feeds within playback here, don't worry, go back and then go to the top of settings and go to general, and it should be in this section right here. Some Android phones do have it under general. So once you select playback and feeds and turn that off, when you go back to the home screen, that will no longer be moving. Any of these videos won't automatically play, and it won't play the next video when you finish playing. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.